again right now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What you are looking at here is 6 of our 8 board members for the Inland Gateway Toastmasters Club. This club rocks. And we're going to show you how much we rock with an open house, Zoom style, May 27th from 6 o'clock p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Bring your game face and have a great time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce now over to my left, Daniel Cruz. He's our president, and he's going to talk about what it means to him and what kind of fun we can have. Take it over, Daniel.
Toastmasters has been such an amazing experience for me to grow as a person and as a leader, to become comfortable with public speaking. I cannot advise you enough to join us at our happy hour.
I love it. And to this side of me, we have Derek Gutierrez. He is our Vice President of Education. Take it away, Derek. What do you think?
Oh man, gosh, I've been in Toastmasters a long time and I love it. And the reason I stick around is, you know, we've got a Pathways program that ideally helps you step by step to get to where you want to go and meet your goals. We also have mentoring, which also helps because, you know, not everybody likes speaking in public, and we're here to help you reach your goals. And I can say for me personally, it has been one of the best things I have ever done. It has helped launch my career in a direction it could never have gone without it. So we look forward to having you guys at the open house. Thanks.
Very nice. And below him, we have Johnny Stevens. Johnny is our Sergeant at Arms. Talk to us, Johnny. What do you think about what this Toastmasters thing's about to you?
Well, John, for me, Toastmasters has taught me to conquer my fears, to how to overcome, how to write a speech, how to recover from a mistake. And I feel like I've met a lot of good people, you know, that had welcomed me, had taught me, and nurtured me. And I just like to welcome you guys. Come on in, join us.
Awesome,
thank you.
Johnny, thank you. And below me, we have Jana Walkley. This lady rocks. She knows a lot about how to manage Toastmasters. Talk to us, lady.
Is the thought of public speaking making you nervous even when you think about it right now? When you stand up, do you wish the ground would just envelop you? Guess what? You come to our Toastmaster meeting and we will help you with steps to get through that and become a speaker that you really know you have inside of you. Come to our open house and learn.
I love it. And then finally, we have over on this side, we have Leland. Leland, tell us about what you like about all this Toastmasters stuff.
Toastmaster is helping me to learn how to speak properly. However, from my experience here, it is even more important to be able to develop some leadership skills. And then I think one of those skills is the ability to give critiques. The Toastmasters allow us to learn how to constructively give a critique to all our members so that we could help them grow as well. So I really wish you'll come by to our open house and see what we can see if it will help you too. Please join us.
Leland, thank you so much. I can tell you that there was no practicing went on with this. This was just an ad hoc. And this is just kind of what you learn. Your ability to speak on the fly and have fun on the fly and smile on the fly. And you see everybody around here does this. We have this smile on our face. We love what we're doing. We're going to remind you again, 27th, May, 6 o'clock p.m. to 7:30 p.m. If you have any questions, go ahead and let us know because we've got the Zoom code for you and it will be in some part of this video, that Zoom code. So please, please be with us and have some fun. Thank you so much.
Right.